All right, I went ahead and took the phone down, the Z Flip4, and I went ahead and restarted it and restarted it so it's a fresh start. And I'm gonna go ahead and unlock for the first time. And phone is starting. I gotta try this again, man. This can't be happening. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use the Google Assistant. Navigate to Walmart.
You've got several options. To choose, you can say things like, the second one. So, which?
And we're gonna try this again. 10 minutes away. So, oh, this thing is kind of funny. We're gonna have to try this again because I wasn't happy with that first test of the Z Flip4. I don't want to have a bad experience with it. I'm actually rooting for this phone. I want this phone to be my main car behind me, to be my main phone, so I can use it like I should. But if this is going to be something that's keeping me from using it, we have a problem. Wait a minute, why is it looking like that? It's already, let me recenter. It's already lost. So I restarted the phone. And did whatever I had to do. And it's still lost, man. Smith Road. It's telling me to turn. It's not saying anything, first of all. Turning.
In 600 feet, turn right onto Pearl Road.
600 feet, turn right to Pearl Road. All right, so we're just gonna
turn right onto Pearl Road.
We're just gonna see where this is gonna go. I'm 9 minutes away from the local Walmart, and I'm giving the Z Flip4 another shot to see what's going on with it.
Continue on Pearl Road for 1.5 miles.
Pearl Road, 1.5 miles. Let's see if we lose signal again. I just stopped at Petco and picked up some vitamins for my dog, and that was my first stop. My second stop, 8 minutes away, local Walmart. Hopefully we won't have an issue. The lines on the screen are kind of weird because it does have a plastic screen, and it kind of, you see those lines just going over like that, but kind of weird. And the brightness is turned down a little bit. Maybe I should turn that up. Where it is, here it is. That's all the way up? That can't be all the way up. Ugh. I don't know what's, here it is. I don't know what happened. Now it's saying 10 minutes. I don't know. It went from says I'm doing 29 miles per hour and I'm stopped. And I can't do it. I cannot do it. am on T-Mobile. You can see there 5G UC. 5G UC. I'm at 90%. I dropped dramatically. I think I was at 96%. So I dropped 6%. So something's going on with it. 10 minutes. It's been on 10 minutes for I don't know how long. The counter should, I mean, the time as I get closer should change, and it's not. It still says I'm 29 miles per hour, even though I'm way under 29. But it's moving on the map, so let's see when I turn. I'm about to turn on Pearl. Let's see.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto York Road.
York Road. York Road. Oh, I'm on Pearl. I'm on Pearl. I'm like, where am I? I'm on Pearl, so I'm about to turn on York Road, which is this one right here.
Turn right onto York Road.
Looks like it's picking up the. Looks like it's.
In
it's
a quarter
now,
mile, turn left onto West Ridgewood Drive.
Looks like it's now picking up my my turns and whatnot, but I'm still stuck on 10 minutes, and I'm still stuck on 29 minutes. I mean 29 miles per hour. And yeah. So this is after a restart, because I restarted the phone while I went into. I restarted the phone and then I went into Petco while the phone was restarting. And as you can see, I'm going to a complete stop, and it says I'm going 29 miles per hour. I'm stopped, bro. And it's been 10 minutes, like for 10 minutes now. Crazy. His GPS is definitely wonky on the Z Flip4. And this is not even the street I'm supposed to. Oh my gosh. I turned on the wrong street.
Take the next left to stay on Old York Road.
Oh well. Let me do an illegal U-turn here.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Manorford Drive.
That was my mistake. Turning on this road was my mistake. But let's see if it calculates. Oh, there it goes. It calculated. Still on 10 minutes. Still going 29 miles per hour. This is funny. I gotta laugh on this one. Okay, green light. About to turn.
Take the next left onto York Road, then turn left onto West Ridgewood Drive.
Now I'm about to turn left onto West.
Take the next left onto West Ridgewood Drive.
So that seems to be working. Like, seems to be knowing the GPS. Wow, that car smoked out. Turning here. I know where I'm going, by the way.
Continue on West Ridgewood Drive for 3/4 of a mile.
I'm just testing this GPS. Still stuck on 10 minutes. Still doing 29 miles per hour. At this point, your estimated time of arrival is basically estimated. Good luck. Let's see if I make it to the Walmart. I mean, the apps are updated too. Everything's updated. GPS is just not good.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Ames Road.
Turn right onto Ames Road in a quarter mile. I got some road construction ahead. I have to go around this road construction.
next right onto Ames Road, then turn left.
It seems to be working okay, but there's something conflicting with the Google Maps. I don't know what the deal is. But yeah, I'm at my destination. There's Walmart. So it'll
Turn left,
definitely
then
get
you will
you.
arrive at your destination.
It'll get you to where you need to go, but it's gonna give you the wrong speed and the wrong ETA, because I'm already here and it still says I'm 10 minutes away. Kind of annoying. Could be a big bug that no one's talking about yet on the Z Flip4. But yeah, I'm at Walmart. I'm gonna end the video here and I'm gonna restart the phone again.
You've arrived.
I've arrived and I'm 10 minutes away and I'm stopped. I'm going 20 miles per hour. But yeah, I'm where I need to be. I'm gonna go ahead and restart the phone again and try it again. Bye.